Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I was playing games with you, but now it's over. Yeah. Oh yeah. Hello, motherfucker, what you know about me? Yeah. How do, nigga? Ooh, what you know about me? Give a fuck what you heard, what you know about me.
So welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do these passion twist braids, okay? So I am using this hair. It's the Super Line Bohemian Curl hair. It is in the color 1B27. The products I'm using is the Shine and Jam in the orange tube. And I'm also going to use the Style Factor Edge Control for her edges, okay? So I'm just going to like moisturize her hair. I'm doing it with a little bit of coconut oil. Nothing crazy. And then I'm just going to start applying this Shine and Jam on her roots. And then I'm going to braid her hair down a little bit, okay? So I'm going to do the free parts. They look the most natural and they are the easiest to do, okay? So this is literally, guys, my first time doing a whole head of passion twists. Guys, so it was a learning curve for sure, but I feel like I got it, especially when I got towards the middle. It was really like getting easier to do. So I'm just parting her hair, free part, and I'm just going to braid her hair down maybe like 1.5 inches, okay? And I'm going to do that throughout her entire head, okay? I just want a secure base so that way when I do crochet the hair into the roots that it is secure, okay? So you're going to want to braid their hair 1.5 inches down. Not anything too crazy. I don't feel like you have to braid down all the way. Like, you have to make sure that the hair is loose anyway at the ends, so that way you can twist the hair into the passion twist hair, okay? So like I said, I'm just braiding 1.5 inches, okay? Just braiding 1.5 inches all the way down, 1.5 inches down from the roots. Okay, so here I am going to start using the Bohemian curls. So you're going to want to make sure that you fluff out all the pieces of hair, okay? That is very important. So I wanted the look to be more so like large, medium, large type of, type of look. So basically, I crochet, at first I crochet only 2 pieces of hair, then I started adding more. So what I like to do is I like to crochet through the root and then grab 1 piece of the hair and start wrapping that around the root. So that way you can conceal where you crocheted and that way it's like secure. I don't like passion twists that are braided from the root. I feel like it looks really tacky, okay? And I also feel like it's way too difficult to do like twisting from the root, because I don't feel like that's completely secure. And then I also feel like whenever people put the rubber bands on the root, that's so much tension, So I feel like this is the best method. So once I do that, guys, I'm going to split everything in half, and then I'm literally just going to start twisting, okay? So I'm going to, as you guys can see, I am bending my wrist and then I'm twisting. Bending my wrist and then I'm twisting, okay? When you need more security, you're going to want to make sure you put some product on that. And then you're just going to bend and twist. Bend and twist. That makes sure, when you bend and twist, it makes sure that the twist is close together and the twist is tight, so that way it's not unraveling, okay? I got the hang of it. When it comes to this style, you have to get the hang of it. You have to form a rhythm, okay? So since I never done these before, it was kind of difficult at first for me to gain a rhythm, okay? So when it comes to new styles I haven't done before, I usually charge clients very cheap. So this hair is probably like $6.99 a pack, and I bought 8 packs, so it's probably like $70. I only charged her $150. So basically, aside from the hair, I only made a $80 profit. So yeah, that's just kind of how it is whenever you don't necessarily know how to do a style. Now, someone did teach me how to do this. I did pay her to teach me, but it's still different when you're doing your own. I'm sure you guys understand that. When you look at YouTube videos, you think you can do it, and then when it comes to doing it, it's like, girl, what was I thinking? I should have paid somebody to do this. Like, I get it. So I'm gonna do it all the way down. So guys, I didn't have to add any hair to make it longer. It was 22 inches and it fell to 22 inches. It was really long. It was lower back length. So everything worked out pretty well. Yeah, this wasn't the hair that was recommended for me to use, but this is the hair that I had because that was the hair at the hair store. I feel like it worked just as well. Maybe if a different texture of hair. Maybe if I would use a different texture of hair, it would have been more like more secure. But guys, this video was recorded like 3-4 weeks ago, and she still has them in, and they still look really, really good. They are getting a little frizzy, but for the most part, they are looking really, really good still. So I'm super excited about that. So in the back, I played with the pieces. So I wanted the passion twist to be chunky, okay, but not super thick. So, you know, for the back, I did two strands to see how thick the strands would look, and I said, I think I want the passion twist to be thicker. So I started adding 3, guys. So in the middle, I added 3 pieces of hair per strand, okay, per passion twist. Then, guys, when I got to the front, when I got to like the front middle, like the crown part of her head, I started using 4. 4 was the magic number for me. But one thing I can say with using 4, I should have did the parts bigger. But now I know, because these are supposed to be large passion twists. So I did medium size parts in my opinion. But I did more so like large passion twists more so at the top, if that makes sense. So the things I would do different is I would do the 4 strands throughout the whole entire thing, and I would do bigger parting to make them large. For the medium, 3 pieces is fine, and I think this parting is fine for medium, okay? For small, I probably would say 2 pieces per strand, and then of course way smaller pieces, way smaller parting than what I did. So that's just kind of like letting you guys know I am doing this style again, and I'm going to make sure that, you know, I do them the right way. But guys, these still turn out really, really cute, okay? Super, super, super cute, guys. I'm very, very excited. But yes, guys, so that's basically what I do. I fluff the pieces out. I braid the hair down, fluff the pieces out, crochet the pieces onto the root. And then no rubber band, okay? And then I grab 1 piece of the hair and I wrap that around the root for about, you know, 1 inch down. And then I start to combine that piece and separate it into 2. Put some product on that part that I'm about to twist. And then I literally twist and rotate, twist and rotate, twist and rotate until I am done when it comes to the passion twist, guys. And I did this the entire way through. So I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial. Just go ahead and keep looking and seeing how I do the rest of it. And I will talk to y'all in my next video. If you guys have any questions, make sure you comment below. If I can find the hair that I use exactly, I will link that in the description box below. And I hope you guys are enjoying this type of video. Now, since I did pay for this class, you know, that's some profit loss for just giving it to you guys for free. But I understand how, you know, funds ain't always up for people, and people want to know how to do these styles for free, okay? So I really appreciate you guys for tuning into this video. It's super early. Sorry if I'm stumbling a little bit over my words. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you on my next video. Love y'all. Bye.
Hold up. Yo, bitch look good. What she know about me? Okay, is she ready? I'm a scooper. You ain't know I used to drive the Uber. Clocking 99 at the grind. Money only thing on my mind. But if a girl wanna go, then I'll make some time. Make some time. Yeah. My mama said I'm the one. She said go sunshine. Yeah. Yeah. I hit my mama up. I said it's lit for sure. For sure, for sure. Yeah. These bitches hit me up and they get ignored. like anybody, bitch, I'm Toby Lou, but to you that's Mr. Adiami. Okay, one day maybe, baby, probably. Fat chance, some outside, be. Yeah. Cause you already got me, that's for sure. For sure, yeah. But you can't flex on me no more. Yeah. Good Lord, good Lord. It feels so good, I had to let you know that I was playing games with you, but now it's over. Pull up and I drain on you. Oh, yeah, it's over. You know it ain't a thing, don't you? It's over. Watch out for it rain on you, girl. It's over. Yeah. Oh yeah. I was playing games with you, but now it's over. Yeah. Oh yeah. Hello, motherfucker, what you know about me? Yeah. How they do, nigga? Ooh, what you know about me? Give a fuck what you heard, what you know she know about me. Okay, is she ready? I'm a scooper. You ain't know I used to drive the Uber. Clocking 99 at the grind. Money only thing on my mind. But if a girl wanna go, then I'll make some time. Make some time. Yeah. My mama said I'm the one, she said go sunshine. Yeah. I hit my mama up, I said it's lit for sure. For sure, for sure. Yeah. These bitches hit me up and they get ignored. Oh man, yeah. They really can't flex on me no more. Really can't flex on me no more. Cause I was playing games with you, but now it's over. Pull up and I drain on you. Yeah, yeah, it's over. You know that it ain't no shit. It's so over. Watch out for it rain on you, girl. It's over. Yeah. Top of the morning to ya. Tell me you're coming through, yeah. Say no later than sooner. All I want do is do ya. Body niggas won't play like they know about me. Get that up on my space, you don't know about me. Baby girl say my name like she know about me. She got my number and you found on me, you know about me. Ooh, she think that I'm that somebody. No, okay, no, girl, that's not me. Love is just a silly game for two. Now go ahead and play without me. Ooh, treat me just like anybody, bitch, I'm Toby Lou, but to you that's Mr. Adiami. Okay, one day maybe, baby, probably. Fat chance, somehow, sabi. Yeah. Cause you already got me, that's for sure. For sure, yeah. But you can't flex on me no more. Yeah. Good Lord, good Lord. It feels so good, I had to let you know that I was playing games with you, but now it's over.